Morning mga Katimbo Vlogs! Welcome sa isa namang video bus vlog ngayong araw na to, July 25, 2024. Ito ang gamitin natin bus ngayon ay si bus number 5744 with registration plate number PGC 947. This will expire on May 19, 2025. Come on, check na natin yung mga bagong tama niya kung may merma. Old damages. Testers. Ito, medyo maganda-ganda tong bus na to. Konti-konti lang yung tama yung gas-gas lang. That one, yun. And this one. Testers. All damage. Let's deploy the school signs because we're doing school run. Tama. Fenders are okay. Mga scratch. Testers are all good. Okay. Yan. Tignan natin sa loob. Baka may ninakaw na upuan. Check natin tong mga ano. Check natin. Let's check. Okay, all good. Vandalize. All good. Good. Upuan is all good. And should be working on. So until next video bus vlog, paalam.